It's August 2025 and we have tried to get out every tractor that runs for the Williams family. Stretches all the way from here about a quarter mile down the road down there. We think we have about 70 of them out. So here we've got a couple Harpars. $10.20 case, $12.20 case, $18.32. This is a $25.45. Next two are $22.40s. John Deere GP. John Deere D, this is the Streeter. H John Deere. Super 99 Oliver with a 371 Funk conversion GM diesel. Farmall M. Next two are Caterpillar 60s. This one has a unusual wide tracks. And this one was a logging cruiser. C case. Or maybe this is an S case. SpeedX garden tractors. This is a homemade one. SD Gibson, H Gibson, 2744 Twin City, a couple Silver Kings, 2030 Rumley, T20 McCormick Deering, it's 2540 Rumley, this is a TD9 crawler, John Deere MC. Little guy's a Struck Magnatrack garden tractor. Diesel 50 Caterpillar. This is a D4 Caterpillar with street pads. Also a D4, this has street pads as well, but with a traction loader. Another Caterpillar D4. This is kind of more of a traditional style. This is an R4 Caterpillar, just like the D4, only with a gas engine. Cat 35, Caterpillar 30, another Caterpillar 30. This one's a snow cruiser with the hood. Cat 22, Caterpillar 20, Cat 15, Cat 10. It's a Holt T35. This predates Caterpillar, but you can see it says Caterpillar on the grill. That's because Holt had the trademark for Caterpillar. So when Holt and Best merged, they all became Cats, and they kept the trademark. There's a Cletrac 30. Farmall A. Farmall Regular. Two International Titans. Farmall F30. 2236 McCormick Deering. This is an I-12 International. It's a W9 International. 340 Farmall. This is an F20 International. Another W9 International. Farmall Regular. This is an F12 Farmall, but it's the Waukesha style. Has the early engine in it. More of a truck motor style before they put in the later style traditional international engines. It's a Caterpillar Road Grader. It's a Cockshot. This is a Model T tractor conversion. So you took your Model T and bought a tractor conversion kit out of a Sears catalog and you bolted it to the back end, and your Model T then became a little tractor. Another Cletrac. Ford. And then we have Caterpillar 60, pulling a road grader. This is also a snow cruiser with the cab and the fuel tank mounted in the back. It's supposed to have a hood on it. I gotta walk back up to the big ones. It's a 2550 Avery. It's a 3060 Altman Taylor. 2040 Rumley. 2040 Case. And finally 4565 Avery. Every one of these drove out here under their own power. Didn't drag any of them out. They all run.